All right, time to take a look at the ULIBERMAGNET heavy-duty large wave magnetic hooks. Now, I can say I've handled a few of these hooks, and the favorite thing about these definitely has to be the magnets. These are some incredibly strong magnets. So these are the magnets, and you can see it just has a ring of magnets going around the surface, and it has a rubber pad on here to make sure that you're not going to be scratching anything. On the other side, this does have a stud sticking out, and it also comes with washers, lock washers, and nuts. And I do like that they put this little spacer in there because that's going to prevent anything from getting damaged during shipment. So we can throw this away or you can keep it. It's actually kind of cool. And then these are the hooks. You can see this is a standard hole design, so if you want to, you can just use screws and attach these to the walls and keep the magnets for something else. Well, if you've been using rubber hooks like this for your garage, then you already know what these are. These things work great. They're fantastic. They put up with a ton of abuse and a ton of weight. And they've got this little ridge in here, so you can use it to kind of separate out items, or if you want to put like an extension cord on here, which is what this I think is designed for, it'll help to make sure that everything sits properly. I always use the top hole, throw on a washer, lock washer, and the nut. And when we crush down that lock washer, that is going to ensure that this thing isn't going to back off. There we go. Yeah, so that's on there nice and good. Okay, so let's go see how well these things work. So you probably already know these things are plenty strong. Like that's going to hold no problem. And that is fully capable of holding up this long extension cord. And just in case you hadn't seen it, those are two of my heaviest hammers, and I can hold that up no problem. So yeah, these hooks, they're fantastic. I am very happy to use them.